Okay, turn-in number 10. In turn-in number 10, the first two questions deal with scientific notation. And it says express the given number or expression in scientific notation. So I want to express this in scientific notation. Well, by definition, it's going to be some number times 10 to some power. Okay? The number that you have here has got to be between 1 and 10. So I start moving the decimal point over until I get to a place where I have a number between 1 and 10. There it is, 8.74. Then I ask myself, how many decimal places did I actually move the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm moving it 7 places. So now the question is it going to be positive or negative? Well, if you take a look, there's only one. Let me just jump it 3, 6, 7. There's only one choice that has a exponent of 7, so that's going to be your answer. But if you didn't have the choices, remembering if the number is smaller than 1 and 0.000000874 is smaller than 1, your exponent is going to be negative. So 8.74 times 10 to the negative 7, there it is, your answer, choice 4. 500 or 5,120,000. Again, we're going to write it in scientific notation. So here we go. Some number times 10 to some power. I start with the decimal point here, and I start moving it over until I get a number between 1 and 10. 5.12. How many places did I move it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a number that's larger than 1, therefore my exponent is going to be a positive number. So 5.12 times 10 to the 6, and there's your answer. Number 14. Number 14, we're starting to go into writing things as algebraic expressions. So I'm trying to write this as an algebraic expression, 8 more than. And what we talked about in class is more than means we're going to add and switch the order. Okay, so 8 comes first. If we switch the order, 8's going to come second, m's going to come first, and we're going to use the addition sign. So m plus 8, choice 2. Number 15, again, writing an algebraic expression. From 10, subtract y. So we're going to start with, when they say from 10, we're going to start with that expression. So from 10, we want to subtract y. And that's it. We're done. And that's choice 1. All right. Last question on this topic. Moving down, take a look at question number, I guess it's 16 on the sheet, but it's our last question on our turn-in. It's a proportion. I have 1/3 is equal to 2x plus 1 over 45. And the one thing we talked about in class dealing with proportions is a property that says if I take these cross products, the result is going to be equal. Okay? So the cross products, 45 times 1, needs to be equal to 3 times 2x plus 1. And write it this way so you understand that you're going to distribute that 3 through. So my next step in my solving process is to simplify whatever I can. So I'm going to distribute that 3 through, so I get 45 is equal to 6x plus 3. Now it becomes a two-step equation. Subtract 3, 42 is equal to 6x. I'm multiplying by 6, so I'm going to divide by 6, and I wound up getting x is equal to 7. There it is. That's your answer, and that's the end of turn-in number 10.